about how to split the data set into two sets, that is training set and testing set. For that we have taken this new data set that which is in CSV format. Now we have now we will take, see there are 1360 rows and 220 222 columns. So from that we are just taking two variables here, x and y, which will include that till the last column we will take that into x, and after that we will just include all the values of in that y variable. To get that what is the shape of the x and y, we will just run x shaped and y shape here, and you can see 1360 comma 221 is the shape of the x. And now we will split the data set into training set and testing set. For that we'll just need to write that x train, x test, y train, and y test equals to train underscore test underscore split. After that we'll put that variables x and y which we have taken earlier. We will take test size as 0.2. You can take 0.1 also. I'm taking here 0.2. And now to get that shape of the training set and testing set, we will need to just we'll find that what is the shape. So write x train dot shape and x test dot shape. Here you can see the total data set is divided into two sets, that is training set and testing set, and training set consists of 1088 numbers of rows, and testing set consists of 272 numbers of rows. Now we will use SVM here, which is a supervised learning, which is analyze our data for classification and regression analysis. So we will take SVM to predict our model, that what's the accuracy score we will get after splitting those data set into two terms or two sets, SC. So here I am writing cache size equals to 1024 cross 7. You can see SVM is 10 now. Now for prediction, we need to add a variable here, that is ypred, and for predict that we need a function that is svm.predict, where x test is there inside the bracket. Now sklearn, through which we can import the classification report, accuracy score, and all. So from this only we will just get the accuracy report, what is the accuracy of our model. So let us do that. So here accuracy score, I'm just writing here accuracy score. Inside bracket we will just put y test and y pred here, which will give us the accuracy score. So let us run this cell, and here we have accuracy is 0.88, which is far better than any other model. So yeah, it's a good model now. So here you can see that x training, how we can split the data into two sets, and we have used